Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something exciting for you. Vivo has just launched its brand new smartphone, the Vivo V50e, and it's bringing some serious power, style, and performance to the table. Let's dive into everything you need to know. Specs, features, pricing, and whether it's worth your money. First up, performance. The Vivo V50e runs on the all-new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4mm chipset, making it a solid choice in the mid to premium segment. Whether you're a casual user or a multitasking beast, this chip promises smooth performance with efficient battery usage. Speaking of display, you're getting a stunning 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a crisp 2392 x 1080 resolution, and with a peak brightness of 1800 nits, this screen shines even under bright sunlight, perfect for Netflix, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed. Now let's talk battery. And Vivo's not holding back. The V50e packs a massive 5600 mAh battery paired with 90W fast charging support. Yep, you heard that right, 90W. That means more usage, less waiting. For all the camera enthusiasts out there, the V50e comes loaded with a 50MP Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS, plus an 8MP wide-angle lens. And on the front, you get a sharp 50MP selfie camera. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording, and with built-in AI features and modes like Aura Light, your photos and portraits are going to look next level. The phone runs on the latest FunTouch OS 15 and is available in two gorgeous color options, Sapphire Blue and Pearl White. Sleek, stylish, and powerful. What more can you ask for? So, what do you think about the Vivo V50e? Is it your next smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest tech updates right here.